Hi everyone, this is Thomas from MGMClassicCars.com, and right now I have this 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme for sale. It just came in today, and I'm selling this car in as-is condition as you see it. Okay, so this is the factory original color code 26, which is a Viking blue on the car. It's been repainted 10 years ago from what the previous owner told me. They did a pretty nice paint job throughout the car, to be honest with you. Just going through the car, you got the factory correct wheels. You have the original trim, original chrome, emblems, trim around the windows as well. We do have the original tire in the trunk, in which I'll show you. That's a spare tire because it came in on a flat. So, beautiful paint. You could see the reflection. It is nice. Dual sport mirrors on both sides. Nice trim. Clean body lines. Nice reflection throughout the Viking blue paint. Nice front chrome bumper. Nice grille. Check out the interior. Roof line is nice. But before I do that, I want to show you the blemishes. Okay. So right here, this is a little loose. So that will need a couple bolts from the inside here, okay? Which is not really a big deal. Actually, I just tightened it, okay? So that is taken care of. I like going over the cars, but obviously this one is in as-is condition. So continuing here, no bubbling, no rust. Very surprised on the car. And you'll be surprised on the price. Beautiful. Beautiful reflection. No blemishes. Original chrome bumper, like I said. This is just water because we just had it washed. Just a little dust. I want you guys to be surprised when you get it, so I tell you everything about the car. It needs to be touched up there. Let's check out the interior now. Nice body and paint, that's for sure. Nice door panels. Interior is a little dirty because, like I said, it just came in on trade. And I'm selling it in as-is condition. Nice bucket seats, center console, factory steering wheel, original dash, nice cluster. This car is 95,162 to be believed original miles, we were told. Factory air conditioned car, we'll go over. Radio does work. Nice dash, review mirror, headliner, seat belts all intact, and door panels. Okay, let me show you something on the headliner here. Okay, this needs to be redone. Okay, I do have a guide that will come and do that if you wanted to have that done. Package tray lights do work inside as well. Dome light needs a bulb there, but again, that one does. Selling the car in as-is condition. So let's check out the trunk real quick. So there's the tire. Okay. Here is where the blowout was. So we need a new tire for that. And the spare is on the car now. Factory quarters, okay. That's the original intake. It's worth a lot of money. And there's no holes or anything in the trunk. So there you have that. Underneath is clean. It really is. Factory 10 bolt, newer shocks in the back. It does drive really good too. I'll fire it up real quick. So again, 1-2 on the pump. Fires right up. Fuel gauge operates. We'll go over the speedo. I believe it works. We'll check that out. Wiper switch, boom, it does function. Horn does work as well. Heat, air, and defrost does not work right now. You'll have to get that serviced if you wanted to. And yes, the tunes work. You got a HURST handle on it. It's his and hers dual shift gate. I'll mount the camera. We'll go for a ride. Listen to this. It does sound pretty good. Let's go for a ride. Speedo does work. Okay. Very nice on how this thing drives. Very reliable, always fires up. Listen to the chirp. It's got a shift kit in it, that's why it does that. Did a nice job on it. Car goes down the road real nice. It brakes good. It doesn't pull to the left or right when you brake. Very nice to drive. If you're looking for an everyday classic vintage, guys, this is it. Seriously, this is a very reliable Oldsmobile. It's got the Rocket 350 motor in it, as a Supreme should. This is a factory-equipped air-conditioned car, factory-equipped power steering and power brakes. Now those, as far as the air conditioning and the heat, like I mentioned earlier, that's going to need service. Okay. The body is really nice on the car. So is the interior with the bucket seats. Bucket seats are really cool to have. Everyone wants them. And it's got the center console with the HURST shifter, dual gate. Transmission, turbo, hydromatic, 350 automatic. And I have paperwork on the trans as well, and some other stuff like the ignition system, so forth and so on. Please refer to my description on that. No weird noises in the car at all. Oldsmobiles drive nice. I mean, I drive a lot of Chevelles. I think Oldsmobiles are better driving cars than Chevelles. I don't want to start a war now, but hey, that's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. Nice newer dual exhaust. Rear end, there's no odd noises. Power steering works fabulous on the car. And the engine performs well. I'll wait till this traffic goes ahead of me. It's got good pickup too. That's 60 miles an hour, just rolling the throttle. Really nice and steady, no vibration, lights function. It's a great car. If you want to get into the classic car world and own something you can drive every day. I mean, if you wanted to, you can go out to a nice dinner with the car. You can put the family in the car, the dog in the car. You can go to work with this car every day. You can go to the beach. This car can be used for anything. Cross-country touring, it's very reliable. It's awesome. It really is. For the price on this car, honestly, I would not wait. Click the button, send the email, buy the car. You live, you know, life is short, man, and you have to enjoy yourself. These cars are not depreciating in value. They're actually increasing in value every day. And if you're not, you know, this is your first time buying a classic, fine, I understand. We can go through some of the, I can answer some more of the, or, you know, regular questions if you have. I do offer customer support when you purchase a vehicle from me if you need any assistance, how to store it, how to tune it, whatever you need, I'm there. I might not call you back in 5 minutes, but I will call you back. So if you need delivery, send me your zip code to my cell number or email me, and I'll shoot you back a quote. If you guys are looking to finance, I do have 100% financing for these cars. You got to have excellent credit for that. Okay. I also have other banks that will finance you if your score is between like 650 and 725. Then you would go to jjbest.com. Fill out the application. They'll get back to you the following day with your terms and conditions. They require 10% down. But if your score is 725 and above, go to lightstream.com, fill out the application. They'll approve you in 15 minutes. And that's with no money down if you wanted to, or if you wanted to put some money down, you can. Either way. And they both have good rates for classic cars. Just tell them that Tom from MGM Classic Cars sent you. They know who I am. We do a lot of business together, and they'll get you done pretty quick. So, getting back to the actual car, I just want to do a quick recap. It's a 71 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 342 VIN number, which tells you it's a Supreme model. You got the 350 motor in it, power steering, power brakes, 10-bolt rear end, bucket seats, center console, original Viking blue that has been repainted. Really no blemishes on the paint, as you saw the beginning part of my video. Runs out good, shifts good, drives excellent, great looker for a great price. So my number is area code 847-848-1850. You can call me or text me if you have any questions. But first, please read my description on the car, because that might answer some of your questions. If I missed anything in my video or in my descriptions, yeah, for sure, call me. If you want to buy the car, call me now. Okay, let's get the deal done. I'll deliver it right to your garage. We offer insured delivery, and basically, you know, people ask me, how does the process work? It's my first time buying a classic car online. It's very simple. Okay, if you're a cash buyer, simple. You send me over your full name, your delivery address, your phone number, your email address. I create a purchase agreement. I send it over to you, okay? You look at it, you make sure everything matches how you want, year, make, model, VIN number. The VIN number there will also include your stock number, but you need to see that VIN number so you can call your insurance company, okay? And we'll talk about the delivery in a minute. So review it. You would send me a couple $100 through PayPal. Not a big deal unless you're wiring the money the same day or next day. If you are, just let me know. I'll put the car on hold for you, and you can wire the money. I'll send you my bank wire instructions with US Bank. And then the next day when that wire hits, I'll post your purchase agreement paid in full. Go to the post office, send out the title to your address that's on the purchase agreement with a tracking number. Now I will book a transportation company in which I use. It's a third party. They're licensed, insured, and bonded all the way to your doorstep. So if something happens, which I don't think it's going to, it gets to your doorstep, you sign a bill of lading, they'll release the car to you. Now you're responsible for the vehicle's insurance and for the vehicle. The car comes with one set of keys, and you would get your car, your title, go register your baby, and go to the car shows. Enjoy yourself. Take the wife, the girlfriend, the mistress, the fiance, the dogs, the kids. I don't care, your best friend. Go have fun. Life is short. We are going through some really weird times in our life. Enjoy yourself. Invest a little of your money into something fun that you can touch, feel, and drive. So once again, mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, and I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. Thank you once again for watching. Talk soon.